enable or disable Send SOS message in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Scroll down, tap Send SOS message. To enable, tap switch until on, or to disable, tap switch until off. And then to enable, write term and condition, and then tap I have read and agree to all the term and condition above. Check I have read and agree to all the term and condition above, and then tap agree. Receive it to send SOS message at last one receipt, and then tap add. You can create or select from contact name, for example, and then enter phone you want, example, and then tap save. SOS add to contact. To disable, tap switch until white or until off. Press the set key quickly 3 times to send a quick alert to your emergency contacts when you are in an emergency situation. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.